In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign case in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to create a case assignment rule, make it active, and add a rule entry that routes cases to the right person or queue. I'll walk you through each click and add context so you understand why each setting matters. Start on your Salesforce setup home. From there, open Quick Settings at the top right. In many orgs, this is the gear icon. Choose the option to open the full or advanced setup experience. This gets you into the area where all admin settings live. Once you're in setup, use the search box on the left. Type Case Assign to quickly filter the menu. Click Case Assignment Rules. Assignment rules determine who a new case gets assigned to as soon as it's created. They're essential for distributing work automatically by criteria like priority, product, or channel. On the Case Assignment Rules page, click New to create a rule. Give it a descriptive name. Here, I'll use Case Sample. The name is just a label to help you and other admins recognize what the rule is for. Next, mark the rule active. Only one case assignment rule can be active at a time in many org configurations, so activating it ensures this rule can run when cases are created. Click Save. After saving, return to the case assignment rules list if you're not already there, and open the rule you just created by clicking its name, Case Sample. You now see the rule detail page where you add rule entries. Think of the rule as the container and the entries as the specific instructions. If these conditions are met, assign the case to this user or queue. Click New to add your first rule entry. Start by setting the sort order. This number controls the sequence in which Salesforce evaluates entries, with lower numbers being evaluated first. For example, enter 1 to make this the highest priority entry. A clear order keeps your logic predictable and avoids surprises when multiple entries could match the same case. Next, choose criteria are met. This tells Salesforce you'll evaluate the case based on field conditions instead of a formula. Selecting it ensures you can target specific scenarios, like certain priorities or case origins. If you have multiple entries, you'll often start with your most specific criteria at the lowest sort order, then get broader as the numbers increase. Now locate the Assign to area. Open the dropdown if it shows None, and click the lookup icon next to the assignee field. The lookup helps you search for and select the right owner. In the lookup window, choose the appropriate category or tab if prompted, then select the desired assignee. Here, I'll pick Sample Account as a placeholder. In your org, this might be a user, a service queue, or a team that handles initial triage. Using a queue is a common best practice when you want multiple agents to pull from a shared backlog. With the assignee selected, click Save. You've now created a case assignment rule and added a rule entry with a clear evaluation order, criteria type, and a defined owner. From here, any new case that meets the entry's conditions will automatically route to the assignee you chose. A few quick reminders to keep your setup clean and reliable. Use meaningful rule names so future admins can understand intent at a glance. Keep sort order intentional. Put your most specific entries first. Make sure only the rule you want running is marked active. And when assigning to individuals, confirm they have access to the case record type and the right permissions to work those cases. If you're using a queue, confirm its members are up to date so cases don't sit unworked. That's it. Your case assignment rule is in place, active, and ready to route incoming cases exactly where they should go.